everybody, it is me today. I'm going to make a 20-minute video, and it is about my two slimes. This one's crunchy, and this one is rubber. So I made this I had sections of red, yellow, and green, I think. And I mixed them all together. It looks like brown, but it is hazel. It doesn't look very hazel too, because it's through camera, so I was just seeing. So let's get on to the video. Okay, so first one I'm going to show you is the country. It has some stuff in it. That's what I meant to say. It is kind of crunchy, if you guys can see that. It's just a little my friend stole it, and yeah, my friend stole it, and from school, and yeah, and yeah, and it just was a little box. It wasn't all finished, but yeah, so I just put these in my little stuff in my slime. It's so fluffy. Guys, look, I'm gonna put it down. If you guys can see this, I'm going to move the camera so you guys can see. It's really crunchy. So that's what it looks like down there. Since I'm getting out of the slime, so it's these little pieces, all different colors. You can build stuff with them. It's very cool and very awesome. So here's the slime. I'm gonna have to take about 16 minutes to do the slime. So about the slime, I didn't make it. I bought it from Walmart. But if you want a bigger pack than me, there's an orange at Walmart. If you live in the Walmart, the Walmart close to the Walmart, and it has lots of toys, and yeah, then you could find I'll show you guys blue. If you're a girl, I'll just show you some pink, so that might be your favorite color. And then use yellow and all different colors in the slime. Ooh. I bought it from Walmart, and if you want bigger, there's a big tank. It's $10, and it'd be it's really cool for y'all. So I an accident. So guys, I'm gonna find some blue. There it is, guys. It's not very blue, but there is your guys' colors. Purple, I don't have purple. I'm sorry, girls and boys. You might like purple. I'm sorry if I didn't show your favorite colors, but here's my slime. So this is called the Orange Crush. I was gonna say Orange Factory, but just remembered it is named Orange Crush. It was just like the drink Orange Crest. Orange Crush. So good. It's the soft drink. This. So fine. Okay, so this is enough for this slime. I love it. It's very, look at the guys. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm not very this is my face, guys. If you haven't seen my face reveal or my playroom tour, I showed my face a little bit. And you can see my face right now. I showed my face twice. I don't know twice, but I might have showed it more. No, I did actually a lot more, I think. Yes, I showed my face a lot more. 2 more videos. I like showed my face like 4 times. Oh, in the other video, in the pot shop video, I accidentally turned the camera to my face. So, like... my twin sister, she's 4, and she'll be, because I'll be in Texas, and she won't. My mom's just gonna drop me off in Texas. So my twin sister, her name is Desiree, and she is 5, and she lives in California. If you guys know her, please say I said hi, if you might live in California. She'll be substituting. She's my twin, and her name is Desiree. Yeah. She's going to be a substitute. She's my twin sister. She's that good at me. Her name is Desiree, and she is literally like, I'm 2 years older than her. I'm 7. So really, I'm just gonna play with this for like 14 or 16 minutes, because this one's not very good. I'm just gonna play this like 4 or 6 minutes. So I'm gonna make this about 22 minutes, guys. And guys, I want to tell you more about me. Like, people been commenting, but not more like a lot of subscribers. But now I have like 20. But no, guys, I only have 4, and that's not enough for me. I understand if some people don't listen to it, subscribe because you just want to watch the video. I used to do that, but now I subscribe because if they really want 2 million subscribers, I click the bell so they could be happy. And I want you guys to do that too. You guys learn. If you're like also a YouTuber and you want more subscribers, you know what I feel like right now. I really want subscribers. I'm going to do a 22 subscribers party in about whenever I get 22 subscribers. That might be forever because you guys, I understand, guys, but a lot of you, Shot of the Egg Years, might unsubscribe because they are a YouTuber. And guys, their Shot of the Egg Years is a channel, so go watch them because I want you guys to subscribe to them. And I've been a little bit subscribing. I don't know if I've been a whole lot, but I'm subscribed a little. But now that I'm a YouTuber, I understand that people want subscribers. So, like, yeah, guys. This is like my another thing about me. My birthday is November 11th, and yeah, November 11th. And my other twin sister, she's my real sister. Her name's Melissa, and she doesn't have her own YouTube channel, but I don't think you guys can see her. She's not allowed on YouTube, but sometimes her voice is in my videos. But if you don't hear her, go check out the Pet Shop video, and she's in my playroom playing. She's so noisy. And like, yeah, guys, and her name's Melissa. She's 4. Her birthday is November 11th. Oh, Desiree is January. I think 7th. January 7th. Yeah, January 7th. I just asked a couple weeks ago. I remember. Yeah, I think she said January 2nd. Okay, and Emily, she doesn't have a YouTube channel. I only do in the family. And yeah, she's 11, and her birthday is October 7th. It will be, her birthday is in 2 days, guys. It's October 5th today. Sunday is her birthday. So, hey guys, when I do a video on October 7th, I'll be asking to comment, say happy birthday to Emily. So yeah, I'm making a video in 2 days. I'm kind of like taking a break of videos right now, but I'm sorry if I haven't been making much videos today. And yeah, I'm gonna put this up in 4 minutes. No, 6 actually. Oh, and also guys, Max, he is my stepbrother. He was, no, I made a fake video because a long time ago I was making Orbeez with him, and I was like, you know, I put this sign up for the camera, and I act like I made videos, but I really like wasn't. He is 5, no, now he's 6, I think. Last time he was 5. His birthday is about February 25th. 2 days before my mom's birthday. Ooh. My bigger sister. Okay, my biggest sister's name is Addison with ADM. Addison, you're my friend. If you think she spells it different. DMA. They're in the playing tag. She's 19. Her birthday is June 5th, and she spelled it ADISON. Those are my sisters. Gotta go. Bye, guys. Be back there in a minute. Subscribe, like this video, and another of my sisters. No, Riley is August 1st, and Davy is March 20th. So bye guys, and the question for the day is like on this video and try to get to 2 million subscribers. And one more thing, the question for the day is what's your favorite color? Bye guys.